Hello, my name is Robbie Bacolod and I'm the director of Songbird Ministries. On this channel, you will find Christian music videos, promo videos, and also my personal vlogs. But majority of it, at least for now, will be the music videos. So what is Songbird Ministries? It's a Christian music group located in Central California. We are dedicated in reaching people through music, but also building a community with other fellow musicians. So if you're interested in doing video or music with us, we would love to do something with you. Well, that's it for now, but before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and like our page on Facebook. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace!